What's up, y'all? Welcome to Bobby's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make some super flavorful, really crispy chicken wings, so stay tuned. So the first thing you're going to need for this recipe is some regular sized chicken wings, and the ones I get right here, they got the drumstick and the flat and that little thing on the end all connected. And the way you make them into separate things is you cut it on the drumstick just like that, going down, and you want the knife to be parallel with the bone in the drumstick, and then you just keep going down parallel with it, and eventually you'll be able to just cut right through and not hit nothing. And then for removing that tiny little thing on the end, that's kind of a little bit more tricky. It's a lot more tiny of a sweet spot. You got to get the knife in to go right through it. So I kind of go all around in this, and then just kind of rip it, and that works too. So if you can't find that little sweet spot, just do this and it works too. So once you've cut up all your chicken, this is where we're going to make the marinade. So you're going to want to put it all in a bowl, and then you're going to want to fill it up with some buttermilk. Then after that, you're going to want to put some pickle juice, then some mustard, then a little bit of buffalo sauce, and some Tapatio. Then you want to mix it all up, and you want to let this sit for an hour to about 4 hours. You don't want to go under an hour, because the longer the chicken sits in the marinade, the more flavor it absorbs. So the longer the better. And while this is waiting, this is where you want to make that flour seasoning that the chicken's going to get rolled in. So you want to start off with 1 cup of flour, then 3 tablespoons of garlic, then 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of paprika. Then you want to mix it all up. So once you've got everything mixed thoroughly together, this is where you're going to want to add the chicken to it. So you want to grab the chicken and then shake it a little bit, just make sure there's no extra drip on it. And then you want to put it in the seasoning flour and then just roll it all around until it's completely coated. So once your chicken wing's completely coated in flour, just put it somewhere where it can sit. And then you want to do the rest of the chicken wings like that. And this is what they all look like done. And then now we're going to add them to the oil. So you want the oil to be hot, but not too hot. I'd say about like medium heat on the stove. And then just add them in slowly. And the cook time on this is 9 minutes. And I always rotate them the entire time as they're cooking. And like right here, you could see the color ain't quite there, because it's going to be like a red orange type color when it's done cooking, kind of like this, because it's got paprika and cayenne pepper in it. So that's going to add this color to it. And once it looks like this, or it's been 9 minutes, that's when it's done. And to make sure the chicken's cooked all the way through too, just cut it in half or take a bite out of it and just check it out for yourself to see if it's cooked through. And just like that, you got some super flavorful wings. I recommend this recipe to anyone. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel, because I got a bunch of more cooking videos coming. Peace.